Hello viewers, respected Neha ma'am, our HOD Vinod Sharma sir. In this video, I am gonna present our Python project that we have worked on. Well, our project is PDF and image reader. First, let's talk about how it may be useful. Well, it will be useful for students, not only for students, but the one who do not want to read entire notes or document, starting it reading from line by line. By doing that, this is going to take a lot of time of yours. So, looking on that, this PDF reader which we have made will help you in that situation. It will read entire PDF in one go, and same with the image as well. It will read the text from the image for you. You can complete all your notes by relaxing on your bed, and most probably it will be useful for the blind people who can simply hear the text and can finish their work by listening to it. Now, talking about how our program works, I have divided into two sections. First, I will talk about image reader. So let's check it out what it contains. It contains our program file and image2.jpg. So let's check what are its content. So it contains the quick brown fox jump over the file EasyTalk. So the task of this program is to extract whatever text written in the image and speaks it out. Also, it is going to save all the extracted text contents into by creating one new text file. So now I will run and execute it. So this is our image reader.py that is present here. I will run it and check it's working correctly or not. I will open terminal, cmd, go to the desired directory. Now again tab cd image tab. Now I will run the program. Image. Now let's check it.
The quick brown fox. Jump over the 5 lazy dogs.
Now whatever text this is present here is exactly the same, and this text file is created, and all the contents which it has written, read it out, has saved into it. Coming to our second set of program, that is our PDF reader. So let's see what it contains. It contains on PDF reader.py or source file and one sample PDF. About the PDF reader, it has ability to extract the text from the PDF file and speak over whatever text it extracts. Also, it will create one new text file by saving all our extracted text in it. And one more additional feature I have added in it, that whatever pages are there in our PDF file, it will create one JPG separately for each page. So let's check how it can do. I will open the command prompt, cmd. Now I'll run and execute. Now you can see the magic. It has created one.jpg for the first page in our PDF, second 2.jpg for second page in the PDF, and after reading all the contents of our PDF, it will create one new text file that is named as
the ideal characteristic of artificial intelligence is its ability to rationalize and take actions that have the best chance of achieving a specific goal. Understanding
named as remember.txt,
when most people hear the term artificial
in which
intelligence,
all our
the
text
first thing they
extracted
usually
text
think of is
will be added
robots.
in it and saved.
That's because big budget films and novels weave stories.
Now it has written out all the contents, and you can see that remember.txt has created, and all the contents which it has written out had saved in it. You can also check artificial intelligence. So I will view the image also. This is the first page of PDF, this is the second page of our PDF, and this is our sample.pdf. containing 2 pages. First page is this and second page is this. You can see the last word is estimate and the last word is estimate, and inside the text file also last word is estimate. End of the presentation. Hope video is not so long for Neha ma'am. Lastly, I want to say thanks to all members who has involved in this project. Every member has given some role in this project, especially for Shaurya, who has given idea to work on this project. Sajid, Samanjan, Shriman Diwan, all other has helped me out with the important packages needed for our project. And about my work, I have implemented and executed the code on my system. I collected information from all other members about what functionality I can add in the program. I have run on the other platforms too, like Linux. It was working like charm. So thank you Neha ma'am. Thank you Neha ma'am for our support, for making time for viewing our project.